Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by installing Zoom from Google Play and granting camera, mic, and storage permissions so things work smoothly. Once done, sign in with email, Google, or SSO. This saves meetings and settings. Next, tap Join to enter someone's meeting or new meeting to host. Make sure to give the app permission prompts when they appear. Without them, you can't share audio or video. Now that you're signed in, prepare your camera angle and audio before joining. Once you're in, use the bottom row. Mute or unmute your mic and start or stop video, quick and obvious. Tap participants to see who's present and chat to type links or questions. You can use reactions to raise a hand. If hosting, use pin or spotlight to control views. This helps focus the room. To share content, hit share, pick screen or an app, then choose audio if needed. You can switch between front and rear cameras during the call. To finish, tap Leave to exit or, as host, end meeting for all to close the session. If you need the conversation, start recording before you end. Choose local or cloud recording depending on your plan and verify available storage. After leaving, review settings for audio, video, and virtual background options so future calls run cleaner. If something goes wrong, no audio, frozen video, toggle camera/mic permissions, restart the Zoom app. And if needed, switch Wi-Fi or mobile data. That usually fixes connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.